So you're continuously seeing the reading content failed bug or error on ChatGPT while using it. So today let's explore that how you can fix this issue. No matter you are on mobile or laptop, the steps are absolutely the same. I'm just recording this video on mobile, but if you are on laptop, the procedure will be the same. The very first thing that you can do is you have to try logging in ChatGPT in the incognito mode of your browser. Whether you are on mobile or laptop, you just have to open the incognito or private mode of your browser and then open the ChatGPT and then try to log in your account in the incognito mode, and after that try giving the prompts and check whether this issue comes up again or not. So this was the method number one, that you have to open the incognito or private tab of your browser and then check if this issue persists. But if this thing doesn't work, let's move to the solution number two, which is you have to switch between the browsers. Means if you are using the Google Chrome, you have to switch to Safari or any other browser. And if you are seeing this error on Safari, you have to open Google Chrome or Opera or Firefox or any other browser rather than that you are using. And you have to also update your browser, because this issue may also come if you have an outdated browser in your mobile or laptop. But if this thing also doesn't work, one more thing you can do is you have to switch between the devices temporarily. Means you have to log in your account on another mobile or another laptop and then try giving the prompts and see if this issue is coming again. And if that issue doesn't appear up on that device, you can again log in back to your own device and then try clearing the cache and the data of your browser. There are many videos on YouTube which will teach you that how you can clear the cache of your browsers, because if this issue is not coming on another device, means this issue is with your device, which may be the unfair data or cache of your browser. So you can check on the internet that how you can clear it, and after that this issue will be resolved. So let me summarize. The first solution is you have to switch between the private and the normal tabs of your browser, and if this issue persists, you have to move to the solution number two, which is switching between the browsers. And if this thing also doesn't work, the solution number three is you have to switch between the devices, and you can also try clearing the cache and data of your browser. I'm more than pretty sure that this last thing will work, and if you have a cleared cache and data, you won't see the reading content failed error on ChatGPT. So do let me know in the comments that which thing worked for you, because it will be a big help for the others. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.